Hi guys! Today we will be making this delicious chicken pasta dish that's guaranteed to have you wanting more. Ingredients are on screen now. First, start by boiling some water. Then add in 1 diced onion. Now add in 500 grams of pasta of choice. Next, 1 teaspoon salt. To marinate chicken, add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon paprika. Mix everything together to marinate. If you want more marination, feel free to leave it in the fridge for a few hours. While the pasta is still cooking, into a separate pan, add some olive oil. Next, add in the chicken that you just marinated. Spread each piece evenly across the pan and let it cook through thoroughly by mixing occasionally. Leave it to the side after cooking. To a separate pot, add 1 liter of full cream milk and heat it up. Once done, add 100 grams of butter into another pot and let it melt. Then add 100 grams of plain white flour. Gradually mix everything while slowly adding in the milk that you just heated. Once everything is fully mixed in, you should have a relatively thick consistency like this. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Mix everything together well, making sure the consistency is maintained. Next, add in 150 grams of grated cheese of choice and mix well at medium heat. Once all the cheese has been melted, it should look something like this. Next, add in your cooked pasta gradually into the same pot. And here comes the hardest part. Make sure you mix everything thoroughly to get all the pasta coated with the sauce. Afterwards, we are going to transfer everything into a baking tray of your choice. I chose this big glass one. And make sure you line it with butter so that nothing sticks as it bakes in the oven. Make sure you add the cooked chicken as the middle layer of the whole pasta dish and spread it out evenly across the whole tray. Then you can add in the rest of the pasta to almost complete our pasta dish. Next, for the final touches, sprinkle in 1 large chopped tomato. And last but not least, sprinkle in 50 grams of grated cheese. Oh, and I almost forgot. Add in a dash of paprika on top to finish it off before it goes in the oven. Now the fun part. Bake at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Now look what just came out of the oven. Absolute deliciousness. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more recipes just like this one, and I'll see y'all next time.